In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on Android devices. So to get started, go ahead and open the settings of your Android device and then click on that About Phone button. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on the OS version for 7 times to be able to enable the developer options on your Android device. Now, once this is enabled, go ahead and head over into the additional settings and then head over into the developers option to be able to set it up further. And that is how you can basically enable developer options on Android devices. Take note that this would vary depending on the Android device that you are using, but it is the same for every Android device that you'll need to click on the OS version or the build number for 7 times.